Emma yenya Nkwasiafuɔ 6 million bi almost to kosa lie. Eko to aba December 7 yenya ayarefo 2 million bi tena afie.
Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH. Let's like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will notify Ebusianfo. Nema nko ye wo man wemu. Yeah. Nema nko ye. Now, the way oman no kono, I say obi a we sit down. Now we sit down no we no. On we but in the process of construction, we use blocks as cement and sheda ewumsa. Now one them say cement are using adequate esa. But in an attempt to deceive nkrofo a mbabete na dynamo no. Wako plaster blocks no so sa just to hide idea ewo chia blocks are defaulting. Ebusianfo ubetimi aye ne sa, you might succeed in deceiving whoever comes to rent a very apartment, no? But it won't take long. Enche. Because small thing, no, well, we say cracks beba plastering nemo. Now cracks no start to say ba one share one day you can crack up na dynamic collapse. And that is the current state of my Ghana. What say most of the things are NDC. No. Basically idea friend no our health mo say palliative care. Now palliative care our health mo no care bi a yede man krofo a omo yare but yare no as any solution, any permanent treatment I with me fidra now once and for all yare no na vanish there be enti ebia say yare no the pimples na ba ye ma odro a e pimples na conform it but solve yare no. Free medical class for our listeners. Say Ghana sem nkwa na metmenya sa kind of information. Mbo musema Ghana sem TVGH. Mbo musema minsu. Right? But that is the kind of treatment our NDC are giving to our economy, our country, in almost better in all aspects. Now, how did we get here? Madam Fobi, a friend is still possible. Yeah, no tankers as I'm saying. Nkwasiafuɔ 6 million bi na sorry ekoto abama NDC ntina ene brese. I believe say the word Nkwasiafuɔ no as too harsh though, but it tells about the state of mind of these people who were able to look at God in the face, look at Mother Ghana in the face also, and went to give their vote to NDC. Because when you look back, our NDC under John Mahama 1.0. From that NDC, 2017, the whole country looked as though yes, our direction just at a click. 2017, where kaya Akufo-Addo baba emuno. By September, one of the most daring policies, if not the most daring, that has ever been implemented by any government since independence. Just less than 9 months, Akufo-Addo started here, free senior high school. Oh yes, I got starting. Comfort baby say there be any ready scanning or me. A train 2 years now. I hear Akufo-Addo said there be free senior high school must begin now. Akufo-Addo again reduced a lot of taxes. That is the difference between 2017 and what we are experiencing now. Now, what John Mahama is doing currently, they say, Obeka say, oh, may you betting tax free. On the past betting tax, and you be an a betting, and no be an a trap bet, me say me trap bet, and he ain't affecting me. Now, whilst he has removed betting tax, now the D levy, the more levy, and they to full also. On himself, full no dear only choice. Umpo, befa trotro, umpo, befa car, befa moto. Aha, na trotro driver, and I say car driver, and I say motor rider. Omuso mukotua sa delevia. They transfer the charge to you, the passenger. And that has been what Age of Mahama, the kind of tricks are uplift Ghanaians. And now that is why what me was saying, conform makoto about mind this truly no. They are not saying as a baby how mukakra. John Mama to make it say we eat tax be. Nowadays, 7%. I got to a withdrawal of foreign exchange, so foreign currencies. Yes, I'm BNM. Obi and Juma channel in dollars, channel euros, channel in pounds. It's ask a channel or call banks or call Giscana, now 7% room without doing anything to help the person, without doing anything to assist the person. That kind of daylight robbery. Then you know, palliative care now make one sem in the earlier phase of the video. But that's what Ghanaians have opted for. And Ghanaians for 6 million. Now, some for 6 million, they mean say by now they are learning their lesson because some of them are teachers, some of them are nurses, some of them are railway workers, some of them are university senior staff. Was strike. Strike by. Some of them are still on strike. Some of them are teachers for training colleges. They are receiving their second independence. And so with that second independence that you are receiving, me are very, very much sure say the choice is clear for them towards 2028. They will not repeat those mistakes. If they want to repeat it, no problem. But NPP is going to galvanize the votes. NPP, they're making sure say the Crawford now pay their neighbors to go and vote massively for the elephant. Because NPP for P now muko tuabana. There is no way NDC will win the election. Wait me about this channel with our incoming project, upcoming project, a studio space in the Volta region. We want to attack the central part of NDC stronghold, Volta region. Now studio setup, a podcast, for more, they will come on the show and present. Says the same Mr. President. Yeah, he's coming up. And the project now costs 25,000 Ghana cedis, almost about around $2,300. Wait, the number is down beneath. Whatever you feel like, donate to us. There's a nice conversation up next. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Emma Nkwasiafuɔ 6 million bi almost to kosa lie. To about December 7 ayarefo 2 million bi tena afie. Ese wo monso nkoto. Oboka hu bi na oman no esei ebedru baabi ebedru. Mahama beka in the budget ya obeka wie ya wotimi che nkokɔ 700 man nipa 13,000 we. Ade eche no onam Tanzania. Wasoma Ghana for ho. Mahama andikan kan kyerɛ ye. Ese motum aba ma NDC ada kromo betia ne se yes ya ton man obi ansa ne nema no ntuma ma wan kan kyerɛ. Mahama never hid anything from Ghanaians. And yeah, sometimes I don't know why we pretend as if you say Mahama no bana wa bano obeye bibi fufuro bi. Mahama never. Mahama wa fa bibi enzie Ghana fu. Bibi bia na ye Mahama tinimu po bia wono epie free na no ba ma ne ka kire Ghana fo. 24 hours economy, 24-hour economy. Yente na BBC fo ko interview Mahama. E dey so na Mahama ka fan wo kire ye. Mahama is a very honest person. When it comes to telling the truth, minim say man truth portion be enom ye. I say because bisa ansansa prescription na no prescribe Mahama no. Not truth medicine, be no medicine be kan wana. Because during the campaign, Mahama ye nyina campaign waka ni nyina akire yen. What na interview ase. Enya TV3 for the interview, nya BBC for the interview no. Ye bisan about the 24-hour economy say the time I was what they be you have just 4 years. Are you sure say you be able to implement it? A bit take it off. A be ye adwuma ma na ye. Mahama so one the other so what aba. So a bit me ye adwuma. Say ntimi nya adwuma. So obey implement ye na e be adwuma 1 month. Or no dear said there aban for no obeba no. Say power changing hands. Na aban for no obeba ne ba no am to aso a. Ghana for more problem na nyo no Mahama problem. And you say, dear, oh, you know what the grandma as a example. Grandma to way. What we say a proper meeting, be our croma, my friend grandma was here. Wono nye isa dori ne ayi asen kwan woko. Yemes will be a walk to ne bedi ne mama na vice ko. Ye kwa ko bi a party ni mu mabunu ye party. Ni asoma ne yes won ko don ko gina party na se. Enti gama ono wote wono mo no asam na obeka ye no wotun se ba prati ya ni wig se efunu die. Ono na me ye sure so wotoro hyem ma na gama ono to onim ne ekoso wo man mu. Oman no wono wontimu bi. Mahama they to flight mode because grandma and uncle say grandma will check it out of mine no your friend say psychologically and mentally will check it out for Ghana grandma and take any Ghana mentally we ha enti dey cost to be in one my grandma agent we woni into obeka say 24-hour economy is yielding gains ne nwanwa ye ne dey wen ono no to dey troku paper so man so obeka no obeka no say 24-hour economy ye adwuma ampa say anya adwuma ampa ono wonim Yenfa ne de nto baba out baba in say we normal baba Sadiq to de obi ono nkwa no no stand the election e declare who win 3 times and lose 3 times it's baba Sadiq to ya man in Nigeria so won ko depose anya hwe at least say ne ye friend say NDC kuro ni mu a puto wunhwegum nya kwansan kuro ni mu a ezi mi we NDC for na acha mo post na mo ka say we won acha se wa make gains ahe $6 million. Ama yenti na ora
6 million Ghana cedis. Na go see what you on 5
6 million de. Ora kwesi kakra yenhu ba bi e wo.
Yenhu yenya wuye.
Eden ama ewo ne de. Ti ase ewo pa o ti ase nzunu awu. Hwe mi chese nsem na doso ama yese mi hu ba bi kura me fan chance free ba me chance free blaster for no so ama me say NDC for ba power no chere me one sector as ka die dream enko so onum me say new one kura na mkwan so baba mpese me ye me investigation na me nya solid Sam George won de abobo ba o na kachi no na mimze de a obe na fun na afumpu no obe na adwen se oba be defending no ho mame starting free blaster for no so wo hwe sika a eda wo screen ni so ama asefe maro ho se ebuse e se nti Ghana ye wo saska we se nyina ye be invest wo blaster mu enso ye ntimi ntua football cocoa farmers ka yentimi ntua adwumayefo ka esei dwadifo kodwa no musu dwadifo esei se wuja wo ma ofie akwa akodi pa aba question abusa ho ba akopɛ timi ko emesa aba na mensa ama mesa aba anase mensa ama oman na etimu no sesei yenye safe biem si etimi anya saska we yemusi an say den na blaster for no mukwa America na ye host to ade no ho na nkasa na skase no mo de ko America na ye host to ball ni bo is omo no mu gina akono say asu say ball na be ba so say ma so minu mienu ye nim enso Ghana for yetimi anja bibia guonum etimi aye budget ama blaster because say ye nim ska on be di o mu ntino Kofi Adams ai nani alukumi said you hwe toam akenkan nsu okura yede ye nsa na egutoam no ojani pem na okasa aso oda okasa ya hwe na no soro na aso tafre tofe ho inti oman ba ku ayewo mu NDC ai na adwen se che so no de oba entro krono ewudie ene wo mutirim ewudie na wo mutirim ene ye muse ye local league na ye bono skase ne invest wo ene obi bokotoko obi bo has o winning man of the match ani amanu so di na yon anase ebe man no electric iron any rice cooker blaster for you omo kwakọ match yi kiremi nipa o say afini nyina no sa sika na eda o screen so no o make more than sa sika na eda o so kudus mu ni ade no o mu nim sika o mu make even just a week Obi ti say Thomas Partey. Thomas Partey is making over 220,000 per week. Every week be assess kana o make. A more brower for my name. And modern Ghana ye ko 68 years. Ama enkwala twa nsuo ansa no ma ko school dem akwa akusua de. Enkwala twa nsuo ansa no ma ko school dem akusua de. Oman be 19 penifo no omodwen omo ho kanyansa no ma dwen kwala e wo oman ni mu no ho. Ene kokurokuro bi so kohwe enkwala kura nya nsuo no ma no. Kohwe enkwala omo yale a omo hia medical attention ni ade. Ntimi nya sika emfa mfande omo ema omo nya insurance ema omo nya den enya yaresa. Ensu atam sa sika twitwi die we sei. What time ska we say o the air budget ama World Cup for now you bet now so see Akufo-Addo Africa all African games here no mo hwan na mo ba be committee na mo investigation o John Mahama oba here stadium dodo sen na atimisi wo man Ghana mu stadium dodo sen na atimisi wo man Ghana mu eya na ye dwinwa ye ntiase obenya kwase bi o wendis mo ba be ka choose dollar aba from dollar na aba from no sukra ama make us say kra fake dollar ye horo kra ohun bi da and to understand say ni instrument for no e ka jimisem ni nti no onu su be di e cha ba be ka jimisem ni bi nti enkosi da ben ina Ghana for ye be me ania bie ni ame ania da ho ni hu say NDC party na e wo no National Demonic Congress party na e wo ho no omu ni ne pa bia ma oman Ghana ena na akua ka no nyankopon be share John Dramani Mahama mu e mo no ate ne hoto ogina simpie ni apaso a eniem odi ba ba ye Ghana fo nyina o ka kire Ghana fo ensu ye ntie ya ko dokuno
Min no sisi a manya email sisi fuel price kosro intino e beto fuel mu next week mo expect say Ghana e beto mo so Ghana fuel nyina be kosro
oh kameba o
Ghana fuel nyina
kameba o
ye wie can we are your next topic and it has to do with that. Into the man for na yen koran ni na me introduce the next topic. Why?
miti plane mu nti ma memfa ma no lande
I for no land.
to ohun na musi Raymond Acha se den wa just 6 million Ghana cedi hey Raymond Acha
Ena kwesi botwesi on fa information no recovery information from brow.
o de yemfa kwesi botwe nsi nchen me ba ma na hwe attorney general sika sen ya spend o OSP so sika ya spend o special kwesi Peter so nko ano esusin sika wa recover ama oman no
Special dey
kwesi Peter ne sen asa amokua ne sen asa amokua ni patantan bi sa no na enyo oman Ghana ina sebe etoda ya adwen no me ama hwe da bia me kan say me say omo from say elect and say omo ko school wo man nim no omo jimi kura cha omo nko school da ampo omo jimi cha omo nsi school da mu da because there bio kama ne nto asum o te kasapin o huru body dwo ho ansa na ade atojem anya aduane adi omo mu de condition mu to sepre onso wayo onasi chele no onasi fin se de oguru duase enso to sepre ene ba yi okwa koto aduane a okoto nkane a endra mi hu video bi bo ebi se nkane a na akwa ese aduane a wutodi udidi ya na ekom de sa na nkane a na ye enyo obi ti se juaka ejanu mu ka che Ghana for say si happen yesu for electricity mu dey na ready because we are going to pay more than that. That is what NDC is telling us. Media Madam Oku dey na me person mechanism because no, she's among the living dead. Tiasi wu ne wig onu em say na wig na ancestral sacrifice ye de yimusuo e won na na pen bi so nti onu anu owu anu aba no owu anu aba nti the wig na ma no one na na ya ajanto a sa empanifo mienu no mo na mahu ze IQ e friend IQ no da form se quota e bi ni omutrim ana ye omo se governance no e joke on amemu ye mu man no omo ka se ya aguro die omo te da se abrawa no ma mo kra so no omo kɔ masa Ghana yen farmer NDC work and pay o Ghana yen farmer NDC work and pay na me dem aka say by August ending there no man no aka ntatia no ko omo be fidi onipa no so because omo ma anya aduane ani mo na mawu ama aduane Ghana be sere say Ghana e be sere rough NDC for the almost the mu yen do mu humu mon ko so rante mon rante the more you rant the more they become popular the mama fuma no nsi na because me ko so anhwa okra obeje ode
by August ye nyina ye tiase ye nwu ye betena se ne akerade nyuma pa akire ye nwu ye bedi ye nkwa na nyina me ekom na